Hello, my name is Joseph Gardini, and I'm the product demonstrator and trainer here at Daegis. I'm excited to show you some of the enhancements we've made to the document review screen, along with the enhancements made to our self-export tool and printing in Daegis Edge version 9.0. The data that I'll be showing in this video to demonstrate 9.0 is made up of 100% publicly available datasets with no confidential information. In regards to security, Daegis is ISO 27001 certified for information security management. Daegis also complies with the US, EU, and SWIFT Safe Harbor frameworks as well. So right now I'm on our new document view screen, in which you get a near native view of each document in this container, on which you could do your redactions, highlights, and annotations on. But I also have access to other great features which makes Edge easier to navigate as a whole. So one of the first things to point out in Daegis Edge 9.0's doc view screen is our new thumbnail view, which is right here on the left hand side. And the thumbnail view displays each page of the document individually, and the pages are numbered, and the user can actually scroll in the sidebar to see all the pages. And if you click on the thumbnail, it'll take you to that page. The next thing to show here in the doc view sidebar is this icon that is the binoculars, which is our find tool. And the find tool is used to quickly locate a particular word or phrase within the doc view. So instead of searching the whole entire set of documents, the find tool just searches the one document that you're currently on. So let's say, for example, I want to search for the word technology. It'll give me all the hits for the word technology, and in this case it's 4 hits. So if I click on one of these hits, it'll take me to that hit in the document. And then there's options for a whole word and case sensitive as well. The next new feature to show in the side pane is our new redaction and annotation viewer, in which you could do redactions and highlights. And if I want to do a redaction, I would just go to the roll of tape, and I have a choice of redactions. So I could redact a current selection in a page, I could redact the full page, or I could redact an entire document. But if I just want to redact a section, I could click redact, and then I would just drag my redaction and drop it. So now in the side pane, it will show me what kind of redaction it was, what page that redaction's on, and it will show me which reviewer placed that redaction as well. The next thing to show is some of your options up above. Up above, right now we're in the document view, but if I click on the text view, it'll give me the basic text of the document. The field data view will give me all of the metadata of the document. And the doc info tab will give me any information on attachments if it's an email, and it'll also give me information on duplicates as well. If I go up top here to the native file, I could view the actual native file of the document. I could also, if I'm a reviewer and I want to view the document in a separate window and I want to do my coding in another window, I have a link right here that's view a new window, and I can move the document from one window to another. The next place we made enhancements in version 9.0 is with the document view list. In the document view list, you could see your record status, which there's several different record statuses that you could have. So for example, N is a normal record status and M is a modified image. So right now, for example, we're looking at a modified image because it has redactions and highlights. Above, you have your basic doc text search, in which you could search the container for a specific text in the document. And then to the left of that, you have your advanced search, which is either your ad hoc search, which is your investigative type searches, or your iterative search, which is the search I use to promote documents to the review process. Up above the doc view list, we also have our coding panes. In our coding panes, you can mark your documents for responsiveness and confidentiality, for example, but you can also create custom fields as well. There's also the ability to create fields that are for text, so if you need to type in any comments, for example, the user will have the ability to do that. The next place we made enhancements is with our self-export tool. So for example, if I have already produced 5 documents, and with Bates numbers, and I'm done with the coding of these documents, I could select them And then if I go into Tools and Export, the Use Email Notification box will be checked off, and I'll just say that you'll receive an email once the export is complete. On the next page, one of the new features now is that I have an option to choose which redaction tags will apply to the export. The other new feature is in Images, where I now have the ability to export multi-page TIFFs, and searchable PDFs have been added to the Self-Port module. The next place in 9.0 where we've made enhancements is with the ability to print in a review project. If you want to print the current document that you're on, all you would need to do is click the print document icon and you can print to a local printer. If you want to print out a selection of documents, you would go to the PDF icon and you would click selected documents, and it'll give you a page count with your document numbers. In the next screen, it'll give you options to sort. So if you want to sort by your document number or your Bates number. The screen after that is if you make it one PDF, would you want separators to determine where one document ends and another begins? On the next screen, you have an option to have individual PDFs for each document, or if you want one large PDF with separators. You also have the options to include redactions, annotations, and have the PDF be searchable. On the next screen, you get a summary of your print job, and then once you click Finish, you can finish your print job, and at that point you'll get a status screen. So once this completes, you'll receive your PDF will be downloaded, and once you have your PDF downloaded, you'll receive an email from Daegis automatically, and that will contain a password for your encrypted PDF so you can print your documents. And that concludes this overview of the new features in Daegis Edge version 9.0. For more information or a more in-depth demo, email us at info@daegis.com. Be sure to check back for other videos on Daegis Edge 9.0 and other key features of Edge. Thank you.